Palatable. Welcome to our exploration of the word palatable and its significance in our everyday lives. Imagine a table full of diverse dishes, each offering a unique flavor and aroma. When we describe food as palatable, we're talking about its taste and how enjoyable it is to eat. This could mean that the food is delicious, appetizing, and pleasant to the taste buds. Palatable also suggests that the flavors harmonize well together, creating a satisfying culinary experience. Let's explore how palatable is used in sentences. The chef's special dish was not only visually appealing but also incredibly palatable. Despite its unusual ingredients, the soup was surprisingly palatable and left everyone wanting more. In summary, palatable refers to food that is enjoyable to eat, delicious, and offers a harmonious blend of flavors. And that's the essence of palatable in the context of culinary experiences and taste sensations.